friends, we will see the next pattern, spider chart. So this is also represented as radar graph. So spider chart questions are asked in many of these SBI PO exams. So many seeing this spider chart, they think that this is very complicated and working is very tedious and they'll avoid this question. But friends, I'll tell you that this is the very simplest and easiest one. So when you understand the graph, working will be very simple. So now here we have an example of spider chart, so which was taken from SBI PO exam 2013. So here we have the chart where the number of students is given in thousands for 2 different universities for 6 different years. So for the year from 2007 to 2012. So University 1 and 2, so it is differentiated as for University 1, the blue line, and University 2, the red line. So the data of number of students is given in this chart. So first we will understand the spider chart. So this spider chart is nothing but, suppose you have, if we have the x and y axis chart, say suppose this is the x axis and this is the y axis. So years represented in x axis from 2007 to 2012 and the data, so initial, the intersecting point is 0 and 510, so increasing by thousands, so up to 35. The same data, so which we have represented in x and y axis, so they have given in spider format, and spider chart working will be very easier and when you understand the chart. So here in this spider chart, we have concentric hexagons. The center point is the value which has the value 0. The first hexagon value is 5000 and the second hexagon value is 10,000. So we have in thousands, so each numeral multiply it with 1000. So first hexagon 5000, so the second hexagon 10,000 and each hexagon value is increased by 5000 and the final hexagon value is 35,000. And the years, we have the year from 2007 to 2012 and each vertex of the hexagon represents the years. So we have 6 years and we have 6 vertex, so a hexagon is formed. So each vertex represents the number of years. Now using this data, we will answer the following questions. Question number 1. What was the difference between the number of students in University 1 in the year 2010 and the number of students in University 2 in the year 2012? Now what is the question? So we are asked to find the difference between the number of students for University 1 in 2010 and University 2 in the year 2012. So we will see the working slide. So here we have the spider chart where the data points are highlighted. So I have highlighted the data points for your easy understanding. So in the exam, you have to pick out the values for yourself and choose the, see that you choose the correct data or else you will get the wrong answer. So here the question is difference between the number of students in 2010 for University 1. So in 2010, University 1, what is the value? So 2010, we have at the bottom, University 1 is mentioned in this blue color. And what is the value? So the first hexagon value is 5000 and the second is 10,000, third is 15,000. At the fourth, we have the value, that is 20,000. So in 2010, for University 1, the value is 20,000. And now for University 2, 2012. University 2 is mentioned in red color. So 2012 we have in this left side corner, right side corner. So value is, so inner circle is 5000. The second hexagon, it is a hexagon. So inner hexagon is 5000. The second is 10. The third is 15. And the fourth we have 20,000. So when you see here, both the values fall on the same hexagon, which means values are same. So for University 2, so 2012, the value is 20,000. So both values are same. So what will be the difference? So it is 0. So here when you check, the data points lie on the same hexagon, which means the data which we need for University 1 2010 and University 2 2012 values are same. And what will be the difference? So same value, so difference is 0, and answer is option A.